Whenever you can work Dr. Evil in on a Friday night, why not, right? Jordan, how are you today?
Well, I want to say both of those disasters are actually related to similar systems, both of which are actually cold fronts. Actually, the one that is out into the east is causing all those tornadoes. That's what pushed through and gave us much cooler temperatures. Luckily, we were on the good side. We dodged a lot of that severe weather, although we also dodged all the rainfall that came along with it. Now, I don't want any kind of flooding conditions, but we could just use a little bit of rain to try and ease our drought situation. Temperatures already starting to fall, considering that, well, sun's almost going to set soon, and temperatures, yeah, we're going to get down below the freezing point. That baying system has pushed out. We're left with clear skies, resulting in a very chilly night, although the clouds, they're going to start coming back in just a little bit ahead of our next system. That's the one that's currently hitting California right now. Low temperatures for tonight, yeah, we're talking pretty chilly conditions. 31 for Waco, 32 Marlin, 33 in Temple, 34 Killeen. Certainly enough for a light freeze, but nothing in terms of freeze watches or warnings. Frost is possible, but very limited considering there's not a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. Humidity values are low, and we see very limited cloud cover. Now, if you want to have a little bit of fun on your Saturday, head out to the golf course. I suggest doing it a little bit later in the day, just considering how cold it is. Winds are actually going to stay relatively calm. They might start picking up a little bit going into the evening time, but you know what? Highs in those 60s, pretty similar to today. If you don't mind a little bit chilly conditions, by all means, go and enjoy yourself with that. Futurecast radar showing not a whole lot of activity. High pressure is going to push off to the east. That is going to result in the winds shifting a little bit. So they're coming from the north right now. That's bringing us a lot of that cool, dry air. Then it's going to start coming up from the south. That's going to start to bring a little bit more Gulf moisture into our atmosphere, increasing our cloud content, really heading into Sunday. And that's also going to cause a massive increase in terms of temperatures. We're talking going back up into those lower 80s, yeah, believe it or not. Wind gusts staying nice and calm throughout the evening, then going into tomorrow afternoon, starts to pick up a little bit, gusts getting up to about 15, 20 miles per hour. Then we hit Sunday. This is when we're going to start to see a big increase in our temperatures. I'm talking gusts getting well above 30 miles per hour, 35 down in the Brazos Valley, maybe even 40. So certainly keep those loose items indoors for much of this weekend because it's going to be a windy one. Look at these temperatures. It's 35 for tonight for much of central Texas. Of course, warming up to 62 by the afternoon. 70s coming back by Sunday. MLK Day, we're nearing that 80-degree mark. Tuesday, certainly possible. We're going to hit that ahead of our next frontal system. Here it is. It still has some small chances for rain. Let's just hope that stays in the forecast because we could always use that rain. Temperatures quickly cool back down right after that.
Yeah, but with the rain and the sunshine, I'm seeing trees, Jordan, that are starting to bud out. There's some lawns that are starting to grow. Mother Nature's confused everyone this year.
I don't blame it.
See if we have another freeze in February. Okay.